Hi Bling Besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to start off here in my bedroom. I purchased this beautiful quilt. Look at the colors, look at the print. I am in love with it. Now I have a Cal King bed, but this one only came a king, so it's fine. It still fits a little bit. It's a little short, but I made it work, and I purchased this at Ross. I ended up putting it at the end of my bed, and I think it looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am so obsessed. I feel like my bedroom with this white and then the sparkly pillows there, and then this blue, beautiful blue color, it all reminds me of Cinderella. Like, I feel like this would be Cinderella's room. I don't know why. So I ended up changing the way I wanted it. I like to show you different ways of styling. I love the ruffles that it has at the end. You can always tuck them in as well, but this is how I ended up liking it. This is how I ended up keeping it. I absolutely love it. Of course, I put my little fur rug right there that I also got at Ross, and on top of the tray with some home decor. I think it's so beautiful. Definitely check out my TikTok page. I post on there consistently and constantly, especially regarding my home. I love this beautiful statue here of La Virgen de Dulce Espera. She is beautiful. I purchased her at my Catholic church. And now moving on to my dining table. So this here I purchased from Shein, and these are like table runners. You just take them apart and they just run down, as you can see in the background. I also purchased these fake lemons, and they were really inexpensive. It was about a pack of 6 for about $2 and some change. I also ordered these beautiful hydrangeas. Oh, I just love them. So the idea that I have is I already have this beautiful 3-tier tray, as you can see here, and I was thinking in my head, let me add some hydrangeas into the tray. I am overly obsessed with hydrangeas at the moment. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I would love to buy some real ones at Lowe's that I've seen so recently, and just grow them in my front yard. I haven't done that yet, but I love them. I think they're beautiful. So this is how it looks like with just the first layer, just the first tier done. Now moving on to the top tier, I am going to go ahead and skip the middle. I think it would be a little bit too much if I added all the hydrangeas, to it. I mean, I think it still would look beautiful, but I love it how it looks like this. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. It's so beautiful. By the way, this 3-tier tray is from Ross. I purchased it a couple years ago, probably like 4 years ago. And again, here are the lemons. And here it is. I added a couple more lemons to the top, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I am obsessed. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. These beautiful glass candle holders that you see here are from Burlington, and I purchased them for the most amazing price literally ever. So they didn't have tags on them when I went to go to Burlington a couple years ago. And when I got to the register and I asked the cashier how much they were, she said she would just give them to me for $3.99 each. Are you kidding me? They are beautiful. I love them. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy I ended up running into them. Besties, I'm thinking of taking this down and putting shelves, like 2 shelves, just along the wall, so I can add some decor to there, but I'm not sure what I should do, so I'm still debating. I really don't know. I definitely might sell this. I'm still not sure. So yeah, I'm thinking of taking it down to put shelves, just because I already have a canvas there, and I just want to add some more home decor, or a little bit at least. But yeah, the centerpiece on this table is beautiful. It reminds you of a wedding. I'm so happy how this came out. Here's how I decorated one of the end tables in my living room. I also tied in some more blue decor here in my kitchen. I love how it came out. I think it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this blue color this year. I also purchased this beautiful lemon wreath from Amazon. I couldn't find one in stores, and so that one was $30, and I just hung it on top of my hood. And then I went to Home Goods and I found some of these just utensils or whatever those are. I can't think of it right now, but look at how beautiful that vase is with the lemons. I also purchased these from Shein and I love them. They're like these blue little tulips. As you can see, I am really into the blue shades this year. I just think that's the color for spring and summer along with lemon. So I added this rack to the top of my stove and I love how it came out. I really wanted like a basket there to add my lemon and cucumbers that I always have handy. I always drink water with lemon and cucumber. It's just my thing. I love it. And I just think how this came out is so beautiful. Look at how beautiful these roses are from Michael's. I purchased them on sale. I also purchased the vase that it comes in, also from Michael's, 70% off because it was in the Easter section. And I'm adding this ribbon that I purchased from Walmart. I feel like this needed like a pop of color, at least on the vase. So I was thinking a beautiful bow. I don't know. I really love bows right now. So I'm adding it to a lot of my stuff in my home. So I'm taking the two candles that are on my dining table on those glass candle holders. These are LED ones, which I really like. And I'm going to add some blue to it, which is going to be a pop of color against the white. And this I purchased from Hobby Lobby, this ribbon here. So I cut the ribbon down to the length of the candle, and just with a hot glue gun, I'm going to glue it together. So I purchased this beautiful, beautiful bling ribbon. It's gorgeous. It has like little diamonds on it from Amazon. It's like strips of diamonds. And I'm going to add that also to the candle just to give it that bling bestie touch, you know? So this is how the candles turned out, and I absolutely love them. I love the bling that it has to them along with my favorite color at the moment. You can definitely add another band of bling to it just to add more, but I thought how I had it was okay. So I'm adding this back to the countertop right next to my sink. I'm so obsessed with it. It looks beautiful. And also this is how the candles look on the glass candle holders here on my dining table. Besties, I was not kidding when I said I've been adding bows to a lot of my home decor. I just think it gives that beautiful touch in the end, and it personalizes it a little bit towards what I like at the moment, which are bows. And I added it to this beautiful glass jar filled with some fake lemons that I have placed on my coffee table. I just love it. Thank you, Bling Besties, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.